The Havasupai Falls in Arizona is just one of God's magnificent creations. His creativity displayed for the entire world to see. The waterfall by itself reminds us of the power of God. It is intense, yet it could be gentle at the same time. And as we gaze at the waterfall, we are reminded that everything on this earth is God's. It was all created by Him, by His very hands, through His very words, all for His honor and His glory, and for our enjoyment. As the word said, in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. So this is just one of His wonderful creations. The water that freely flows across the rocks is but a gentle reminder to us, as it states in the book of John, that whosoever believes in Him shall have rivers of living water flowing from within them. He promises us in His word to have a continuous flow of living water running through us. That is His Holy Spirit living in us. The calmness represents the peace that only He can give to us. A peace that no human being can ever understand, but we are grateful for.